Ever scrolled through Facebook Reels and wished you could find that hilarious cat video or helpful DIY tutorial again? Well, you're in luck because today, I'm going to show you exactly how to see your Reels history on Facebook, so you can easily revisit those GIFs you've enjoyed. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into the account you use to watch Reels. Next, look for the menu icon. It's usually 3 horizontal lines located in the top right corner for Android users, or the bottom right corner for iOS users. Tap on it. This will bring up the Facebook menu. Scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. It might be towards the bottom of the menu. Tap on Settings and Privacy to expand it. A few more options will appear now. Tap on Settings. This will take you to your Facebook settings page. In the settings page, you'll see a search bar at the top. Tap on the search bar and type in Activity Log. As you type, Activity Log should appear in the search results. Tap on Activity Log to proceed. Inside your Activity Log, you'll see various categories. Look for the Interactions filter and tap on it. It might be labeled slightly differently, but the key is to find where your interactions are logged. Within the Interactions menu, you should see an option like Reels you've interacted with, Reels Watch, or something similar. Tap on this option. Voila! Here you'll find a chronological list of the Reels you've recently watched and interacted with. You can scroll through this list to find that specific Reel you were looking for. Simply tap on any Reel in the list to watch it again from here. You can also like, comment, or share the Reel with your friends. And that's it. Now you know how to find your Reels history on Facebook. This is a great way to manage your viewing habits and quickly access your favorite content. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful social media tips.